I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. You better believe it. I'ma be happy.
Good morning. Today is Saturday and we're supposed to go to the gun range, I believe. If not the gun range, the zoo. My arm hurts so bad. I went zip lining yesterday. I applied icy hot. It won't go and feel good. Instead of relaxing and leaning back, I thought I'm on the zip line holding the bars in front of me like this and keeping my body up so I'm stiff as a board, using all my muscles to keep me up. So now like my shoulder hurts and my arm hurts. Normally what I do in the morning is I have a bowl of fruit. Today is grapes. Now I'm watching Infinite Waters and I really like it, listening to him in the morning because it's always positive. What time you gotta go over there? Alright.
I ain't pressed. I ain't like wearing no clothes because we just want to make more rooms and the other spots.
Yeah, that's all.
But she said that about other friends too. Like we all hang together.
I'ma be alright. I'ma be okay. Any minute I'ma be stacking shit so high, so Pringo free, so lazy. We don't need no architect for our marketing. I could be all up on Wall Street with Parker Monopoly, making some new official. Better believe it, I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. You better believe it. I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. You better believe it. I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy. I'ma be happy. I'ma be good. I'ma just put one.
I don't know if I'm ready to go.
I know, I'm gonna show you.
Absolutely terrified. Like,
Always keep it down there. Always point the gun down there.
okay.
She up next?
Yeah. I'm gonna just put like 6 in there for the car.
No, man.
Chamber. Don't have a magazine.
This is a magazine.
It's the magazine. This is your chamber. This is one shot. So when you get ready to load the gun, just take it out.
You put one in there for her? Just one bullet? Okay. I'm scared.
Stiffen your arms and lean into it.
Did you see where it hit?
I don't know. Yeah, that's
You don't know?
I don't know.
I'ma be good. I'ma be happy. Get that understood. Get that understood.
that was cool, right?
Yeah. Cool.
Are you comfortable with that though?
Perfect to walk back from. Easy. 10 steps. Had to leave the beautiful parking spot that we found because we was at the wrong mall. My new show is gonna be a parking wars. I just film all day in the parking lot. Watch people fight. Second spot just as good. Could have been better, but she let those people get it.
I'm sorry.
It's like a couple of feet. We almost there. Did a good job. Leaving us already.
No, leaving us already.
Whatever. You know where the actual store is?
I don't know where it actually is. So your name right here?
Yeah. Lynn's Crafters. Lynn's Crafters is under construction. No wonder we couldn't find it nowhere no more.
How y'all doing? Oh, glasses in Washington State.
Okay.
I wanted to see if I can get my lenses. I got a protection plan.
Those definitely need replaced.
Yeah,
What happened?
So, ran them over something.
Oh, well. Yeah, let me grab an iPad real quick. We'll get this replaced for you.
Thanks. I ran them over. The brain can't break.
I know.
First day.
I know. Let me try on some glasses.
I didn't.
You're a good split up, buddy. You split up with us like 3 times and you found it.
Only twice. And that's
No, it's 3 times.
Shit.
I just want
We're gonna see it again. We're gonna see it again. It's over there. We're gonna see it again.
I can't listen to the life of me.
Yeah? Damn it, man.
Oh, so what they do.
I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood. I'ma be happy, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. I'ma be happy. Get that understood. Get that understood.
I'ma be alright, I'ma be okay. Any minute I'ma be stacking chips so high, so Pringle free to